Well, I'm black now. So the first thing I did was quit all my jobs. I don't know how I'm supposed to pay the bills. Probably have to start selling crack. Or rapping. Or rapping about selling crack.
What is wrong with you?
I'm retarded. What's wrong with you?
Hey, you in the back with those French braids. What's your name?
My name is Snoop.
All right, Snoop. What you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a motherfucking hustler. You better ask somebody.
So I got, a little unboxing to do today. Do people still do these? They're kind of fucking lame, but whatever. I mean, we're gonna do show and fucking tell until our 60s, okay. Well, I finally got the compression pedal. I mean, finally, I just ordered it a couple days ago. It's from I don't know. I don't know who this is a rebadge of. I mean, it's just it's called Pogo Lab, but I'm sure it's just a recasing of some other major, manufacturer of this shit. Oh, look, it's got little pads. That way, my Velcro won't stick to the fucking thing. I gotta take these off for it to stick. I'm not huge into compression pedals, but it's one of those things where it's like I should at least have it on the board. The only thing I really need it for is for it's like strats, like cleaner tone strats. I don't really need it for get higher gain stuff, because I'll probably want it using a bridge humbucker or something for those kinds of sounds. But I like that it's not exactly white. It's like an eggshell color. It looks like it's well made. It's probably the same one that makes like Moore and the same thing that makes Nuex. So it's probably the same shit. You could get that little silver one. It's a Coco. It just says compressor on it. Or you get this, where it's a little bit more ambiguous. Where it's not as well known, or it's not like they made like hundreds of thousands of these. They may have made 10,000 of them or something. Okay, this comes off pretty easy. Boom, boom, ba-dum, ba-dum,
Dog is all about the zigzag smoke. See, it's a West Coast thing where I'm from, and if you want some, get some.
Bad enough, take some. And a motherfucking East Side. To the Bow Wow, shout out. You can't see my flow. What happened to that Snoop Dogg? I kind of feel like he's just kind of become too he's become too friendly to he's become too white friendly, in my opinion. It's like, even though I am technically, you know, representative of the Caucasian side. You know, I feel like, you know, he's become a little too, like when women in their 60s, like white women in their 60s, you know, who are like trophy house, you know, were trophy housewives, you know, or like Snoop Dogg experts. That's when you kind of know maybe he's diversified, you know, his bonds a little too much, you know. Yeah. You know, just one G to another, you know. Let's see if these little scraps are enough. All these little leftover pieces where I had to cut little sections off because it was either too narrow or too wide or something, you know, and get some use out of them. For once, I'll have a pedal board that's actually somewhat organized and planned, you know, and it's, you know, it's like sort of, you know, it feels kind of like, I mean, it's a metal box, but it feels like it. Plus, it's got, you know, it's like I wonder what's behind this. They don't usually. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm just thinking that it's like that. But it's like usually they'll make the screws that, like, you know. It's almost like they're positioned for a reason. Like, why are these not up in the corner? I don't know. Fuck it. I'm not gonna take it apart now. So, you know. Say hi to your mama for me.
I just wanna tell you all, go fuck yourself.
I do not freebase cocaine.